Hey, welcome back, math friends. Today we are going to take a look at changing scale factors. We're going to get started right away here. Oh, let's get rid of a few things. Okay, so let's start off. This says that using the lot A image, you can see the lot A image. This is lot A. Using that image, increase the dimensions by a scale factor of 2.5 and then label the new image as lot B. So we can see that lot A is 300 inches by 400 inches. Now before we go any further, let's make sure we read all the instructions. It says that each grid square is 100 inches, so every square on this is the same thing as 100 inches. So this much is 100 inches, is the same thing as 100 inches. Okay? And then it says, after creating lot B, using lot B, reduce the dimensions by a scale factor of 1/2, and label that new image as lot C. So the first thing we do is we change lot A to lot B using a scale factor of 2.5, and then we're going to use that and a scale factor of 1/2 to come up with lot C. So let's get started. We've got a lot of math to do. Okay, so if we set this up properly, then let's take a look first of all at our first dimension, 300 inches. And we're going to change that by a scale factor of 2.5. So 300 times 2.5 is how much? And then of course 400 times 2.5, because they both have to be increased by the same scale factor. And what would those two dimensions be? Use your calculator and find out. Now, I'm sure that while you were on your calculator, you figured out that 300 times the scale factor of 2.5 is 750, and 400 times the scale factor of 2.5 is 1,000. And remember, this was our scale factor. Okay? Okay, so now that means that we need to draw a new dimension, a new box, a new lot that is 750 by 1,000. So, and every one of these squares is 100. So let's see, we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and half of another one. And we'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's 1,000. And then we'll finish off our thing. And we label this lot B. And it is 750 by 1,000 inches. Okay? And then our next instructions say, using lot B, reduce the dimensions by a scale factor of 1/2. So that means we have to use those dimensions that we just found, 750 and 1,000, and reduce by a scale factor of 1/2. So 750 times 1/2 and 1,000 times 1/2. We'll change 750 to a fraction. We'll change 1,000 to a fraction. And 750 times 1/2 is, of course, multiplying straight across, 750 over 2. 750 divided by 2 is 375. And 1,000 times the scale factor of 1/2. That's 1,000 over 2, and 1,000 divided by 2 is 500. All right, so that was because we were multiplying by the same scale factor of 1/2. Okay, and so now we have to draw a new box that will be lot C, and it measures 375 inches, so that's going to be, let's see, there's 100, 200, 300, and almost 3/4, and 500, so 100, 200, 300, 400, 500 that way, and down. There we go, make our whole rectangle there, and that is 375 inches by 500 inches, and we label that lot C. And we are done. See, we changed the scale factor twice. We got larger and then we got smaller. Easy peasy. Have a great day. Don't forget to be awesome.